we know that we are having two types of muscles, voluntary and involuntary, which work at our wills are called voluntary muscles, whereas which does not work, which work every time, they are called as involuntary muscles. So our muscles, they are long, muscles are long, okay, and elongated, means like spindle, elongated, okay, and they have a special protein called contractile protein, which helps in contraction and relaxation. Contraction and relaxations of muscles. Okay, normally muscles are made up of, or muscles are having figures like this. They are present in bands. One is a darker one, whereas another one is a lighter one. Darker one, lighter one, darkened one, lighter one. Okay, and normally they are multinucleated. So first is striated muscles. So striated muscles, they are voluntary and multinucleated. Okay, and what is their work? They are attached with skeletal system. Attached with skeletal system. Okay, then some involuntary muscles are unstriated. Some involuntary muscles are unstriated muscles. Okay, for example, these are present in our skeletal and muscles, and these are present in alimentary canal, that is your digestive system. Then the last type of these muscles are cardiac muscles, means heart muscles. Okay, heart is a pumping organ. Okay, it beats, means rhythmic contraction, and relaxation is done. So heart's work is only contracting and relaxing, rhythmic, means in a particular pattern. Okay, like heartbeat is there, you can see that dhak dhak sound, whatever, that is rhythmic contraction and relaxation. Okay, so this is all about your muscular tissue. So we have also completed muscular tissue. Then the last tissue is there, that is nervous tissue. The last tissue of this chapter, nervous tissue. Okay, you know about neurons? Yes, these neurons, they are made up of like this. This is a neuron. It is having nerve ending, axon, cell body, and these are the dendrites. So nervous system is made up of millions, nervous tissues are made up of these neurons. Okay, what is the function of these neurons? Its function is to carry messages, that means send messages or information from body to brain or brain to body. Okay, so now there are millions of nerve cells. They are called as neurons, and each neuron is about 1 meter long. Okay, so they are the longest cell of our body, and this neuron, they help our body in building, or they are manufacturing, with these neurons our brain and spinal cord is made. Okay, so the nervous system is basically composed of brain, spinal cord, and neurons or nerves. So this brain is present here, spinal cord is present in your vertebral column, that is backbone, inside backbone, and nerves are attached to it everywhere. In all our sense organ, nerves are present. So this is a small thing about nervous tissues, and in 10th class you will be reading more about this nervous tissue. Now any doubts, you can comment it below, or you can ring up to me, and you can even message me also. And whatever these notes you have written, write it down in your fair copies. Don't waste your time and write these notes. And also whatever doubts are there, you please inform me, and whichever doubt clarification you want, you can call me. Okay, and whatever questions are there in your textbooks, go through the questions and solve it. So in my next chapter, I'll be telling you about the 3rd chapter. Okay, and we will be studying more. Till then, take care and subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends so that they will also learn this one. So thank you.